Yeah, this is a little force problem made up, and it shows it's asking for the tension on the rope and the force and acted in the X direction. And you see, you got a little alligator biting on a piece of chicken. You know, the mass of chicken is 2 kilograms, and you know that if you make a little triangle out of it, you know that it's 30 degrees. The opposite of that on the right triangle is 60 degrees. An alligator is pulling directly back. I know I have it drawn kind of like he's still pulling that way, but that just, yeah, couldn't really figure out how to draw it like that. Anyway, you got your free body diagram. It shows the angles, and you got the force in the X direction, and you got gravity, and then you have the tension from the rope pulling the other way. And you're looking for tension, and you got T equals negative T sine 60 x hat plus T cosine 60 y hat. And you know that the sum of f of y hat is 0 and the sum of f x hat is 0 because, you know, f nat equals 0 and all that fun stuff. Anyway, you just plug in the numbers that you find. You know that you got the mass, 2 kilograms, and it's times the gravity times sine 60 y hat plus t cosine 60 y hat equals 0. And you're trying to find t, so you just solve it out to you get t to one side, and t ends up coming out as a 33.98 newtons. You can put it in the original formula like up there, and it comes out the vector t or tension is negative 33.98 sine newtons sine 60 x hat plus 33.98 newtons cosine 60 y hat, and that's the tension on it. And to find the force, it's f of x hat equals t sine 60 x hat, and you found t right there, so you plug that in, and it ends up that the force being pulled on by the alligator is 29.42 newtons.